Welcome back to the Loner Ranger Radio Show. Bruce Woodburn, CrossCountry Mortgage. I am here to help you learn how to purchase real estate, invest in real estate, refinance at the lowest possible cost with the best possible rate, build your own home. Maybe you want to build a home this year. Maybe you're a first-time home buyer and you never bought a home and you're really nervous about it. I can understand why. Affordability is tough right now, but I'm going to cover all these things because I am committed to helping more and more people become homeowners. It's worked well for me. It's worked well for all the clients that I've helped over the last 15, 20, 35 years develop assets and build wealth in real estate. It's a no-brainer. You can't be a renter and expect to get rich. There's no such thing as a rich renter. Name one. Okay, you could tell me Elon Musk. Elon Musk owns lots of real estate. He just doesn't own the house he's living in. Grant Cardone, he owns billions of dollars in real estate, but he claims that he's a renter. Listen, you're not Grant Cardone. You're not Elon Musk. You're you. You're Don from accounting. Okay, I get it. But you have the opportunity to gain wealth. And I'm going to tell you, I've taken families. Like I got a teacher. She makes 45 grand. I've got her husband's a postman. He makes 65 grand. Together, they're making 100 grand a year. They have $3 million in equity in property. 3 million. Can you retire off that? I'm telling you, I can show you how to gain wealth in real estate. And I'm going to do it through this program, and I'm going to do it through consultation. If you want to call me now from Tampa at 813-213-4009 or Orlando at 407-706-3313, or go to WeBringYouHome.com and get your application started. We start with a soft credit pull. You have nothing to lose. Send me your documents. Let's figure out a path for you to become a homeowner. And for all of you that have the golden handcuffs, because you're sitting on a 3% fixed rate on your current property, but your property doesn't work for you anymore. Maybe there's a way you can keep that property and make it a rental and still buy the one you want. Listen, people have told me, I'm waiting for rates to drop. Listen, might rates drop a little bit? They might. But with all of the things going on with inflationary concerns, I'm not expecting that you're going to get much lower than we are right now. Could we get into the high fives? Oh, it might be possible. It just depends if all the stars align. Now, I do believe that what's going to fix the problem is the economy is going to get better in 2026, and people should start making a little bit more money, and affordability should be a little bit easier because housing prices aren't going to go down anymore. You can't say inflation out of one side of your mouth and say housing are going to drop in value. It's impossible. They can't do it. The cost of goods aren't cheaper. The cost of goods to build a home aren't cheaper. Let me show you how to get into a loan right now. We can work with buy downs. I just closed a client. They put 3.5% down. I got all the closing costs paid by the seller. And we did a temporary buy down with a permanent buy down. The client's got a first year rate at 4.3%. So let me help you. There's ways to do that. And if you're looking to refinance, look at it's the holiday season. Don't overspend. Just don't do it. All of you that are accumulating debt, call me about debt consolidation. I can help you with that. And if you don't do it now, you're going to call me in January or February when you get that first bill from the Christmas spending. So listen, let's not go crazy. Let me help you. I'm in the business of helping people get out of debt, not into debt. 407-706-3313 or 813-213-4009. My name is Bruce Woodburn, and I am the Regional VP for CrossCountry Mortgage in Central Florida. I host several radio shows throughout the state of Florida. I do loans in all 50 states, so I don't care where I'm doing one in Oklahoma, Virginia, Indiana, New York, New Jersey, South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, Tennessee. I've been doing them all over the place. So I can help you anywhere in the United States. You can just call the Loner Ranger. We can get the job done for you. Now, here's what I want to talk to you about now. I'm very vulnerable. My wife goes crazy because she says, why do you have to tell people so much about your life? Because I truly committed to being authentic. And that's not easy for a guy to do. It's really not. Vulnerability and being a male can be very challenging because we just aren't wired that way. But I tell you, I kept my a secret that I was a 10th grade dropout for years. I thought people would judge me. And then when I amassed millions in real estate and business, I didn't care anymore. So it took me to be confident in myself to share that with you. I'm going to share something else with you. I struggled with weight most of my life. Since I was 26, I struggled with weight. I've been on every weight loss program you could possibly think of. And you know what? Some of them worked, but they didn't work permanent. So I want to talk to you about a company that I went to called Age Rejuvenation. Now, Age Rejuvenation has been doing this for over 20 years, and they have found and they know that by using GLP-1s alone will not fix the problem. It's not like a 12-week medical program. It's not another fad diet. This is metabolic science that rewrites what your body is capable of. So GLP-1s alone will waste your money. They'll waste your money. And this company does GLP-1s, and they're telling you this, okay? GLP-1s cannot fix hormone decline, thyroid slowdown, muscle loss. It can't fix mitochondrial deficiencies and or dysfunctions and age-related metabolic drop and chronic stress. It can't fix it. It's not going to fix muscle loss. But here's what you can do. You call me. I'll connect you with my friends at Age Rejuvenation. I'll guarantee you, if you join their program and I can get you in for your first session for $100. Okay. Sign up, but commit to it for 6 months to a year. If you do, I guarantee you, you will lose all the weight you possibly can. I lost 77 pounds, 77 pounds. Now, my wife went on it. She didn't really need to lose much weight, but she'd been eating chicken, like plain chicken and salad for years and couldn't get that extra little belly fat off. Just couldn't do it. She went on it. She's down to her high school weight right now. High school weight. Incredible. I mean, she's at the ideal weight. It worked for her. And I'm telling you, it can work for you. Call me at 407-706-3313. They've got offices throughout Orlando area, Winter Garden, Winter Park, and then all over the Tampa, Wesley Chapel area, all in that area, 813-213-4009. They do not pay me for this endorsement. I'm telling you, I'm doing it because I care about you. I got a friend. He's 400 pounds, probably more than 400 pounds. I saw him in Publix the other day, and boy, I'm telling you, I looked at him like this dude's going to die. He's going to die. And I am doing everything I can to get him into this program because if you've got a spouse that's overweight and they can't get it under control, it's a matter of time before you have a stroke, your knees give out on you, your hips give out on you, you have diabetes, you name it. It's all kinds of things that can go wrong. So stop doing that and get the help you need. I can promise you, I've been to every place. This place is the real deal. 407-706-3313 or 813-213-4009. I'll connect with my friends at Age Rejuvenation. And I know it doesn't have anything to do with real estate and mortgages, but it does have to do with your health. And if you're dead, I can't get you into a new house. Can't get you a new mortgage. I can't refinance you because you're dead. Okay. Or, what's worse, a stroke and you're not dead and you got to run around with half your face dripping off your head. You don't want that. And I'm not trying to be insensitive. I'm trying to really drill it down. You have choices. What you do with those choices is completely up to you. But I can tell you, I can help you. I'll guide you in the right direction. And I'm putting my name behind this company 100%. Matter of fact, they're going to start doing knee injections for me because my knees are bad. So they're going to help me with that too. They have hormone replacement. They have therapy for women that have postmenopause and even premenopausal. So all kinds of things they can help you with. And this is the real deal, guys, the real deal. So call me if you need my help. I'd love to refer you. And I can promise you we'll get you in for amazing discounts and get your process started. Okay. Now, we talked about the Fed. The Fed's getting ready to change Fed chairman. I believe it's going to be Kevin Haslett, and I think he's going to do a great job. They are very firm that they want to do some rate reductions. Now, you got to remember, because of a Fed rate reduction does not mean that interest rates on mortgages are going to go down. We need the bond market to rally. We need bonds to go up. We need that 10-year bond to go way up from where it is right now if we plan on getting into the high fives. But right now, you look at interest rates, they're sitting in the low sixes right now. low sixes to mid sixes, depending on credit score, depending on whether you're doing a cash out refi or a purchase. FHA and VA, I can get you into the fives. On an FHA loan, I can mix a temporary buy down with a 2-1 buy down and get you into the fours. And we can get the seller to fund it in most of these cases. Stop sitting on the sidelines waiting for life to pass you by. I'm telling you right now, brother, I can help each and every one of you and sisters. Just call me. I will be committed to helping you. If you got adult children or grandchildren that are renting right now, let me help them get in. Let me help them get into a house. I got hometown heroes available for down payment assistance. I got local down payment assistance programs. There's no reason why you shouldn't do it and do it now. Now, if you decide that you're one of those people that are going to say, you know what, Bruce, I'm just going to wait it out a little bit longer. I'm going to wait for interest rates to drop. Go ahead, do that. Now, and your payment might be even a little bit lower if you do that. The problem with that is that the seller, when interest rates drop, there's so many people going to flood the market. Sellers won't need to pay your closing costs. They won't need to pay for buy downs. They don't need to fix the roof. They don't need to fix the plumbing. They don't need to fix anything because now everybody's jumping in to buy. Be smarter than everyone and do it now. Call me now, 813-213-4009 or 407-706-3313, and I will help you. Go to WeBringYouHome.com. Debt consolidation, I can help you with that. Purchase transaction, help you with that. VA loan, I'm an expert at VA financing. FHA, USDA zero down payment loans, conventional 3% down, second home purchases, investment transactions with my DSCR program. Incredible program. I can get you into a home for an investment with 25% down. Investment properties are a minimum 20. You put 25% down, and I don't need to use your tax returns, your W-2s, or anything. Don't need it. All we're going to use for income is the income that the house produces for rent. That's all I'm using. Call me now. I can help you with this. Stop sitting on the sidelines and waiting for everything to pass you by. You ask people, if I only had a tip to help me get ahead. I'm giving you the doggone tip, folks. Do it. Do it now. The loan arranger is right here and he can help you. I've been doing this for 35 years. If you don't trust that I've got your back 100%, fire me on the spot and go find somebody else that'll do it. And here's the deal. I'm going to tell you, I'm very direct with my clients that need my help. I am not wishy-washy. I think I have a good bedside manner, but I'm very direct. If you follow the process, I help you get to where you want. When you do your own process or you keep things from me, you only hurt yourself. Don't do that. Let me guide you. Hire me because you trust me. If you don't trust me, find somebody that you do trust. I can promise you, go to Google, check out my reviews. Go to Yelp, check out my reviews. Go to Zillow, check out my reviews. You'll see they're 5-star reviews. The reason for that is I help people. I'm in the business of helping you gain wealth. I'm in the business of making sure you get into the real estate game. You can't be in the game if you don't show up to the game. So show up. Let's get you in the house. Okay. Let's get you. We're going to get you into home. Here's what we're going to do with you this year. We'll get you into home. We're going to get you your weight loss program. We're going to show you how to become debt free. I want you to live your life with no credit card debt, no student loan debt, not even car loans. You can help it. Not even car loans. Do you know how much wealth you gain when you don't have a car loan? I got a girl right now. I'm trying to get into a house right now, but she bought a car and it's a $700 a month car payment and it's keeping her from getting the home she wants. Don't do that, folks. Listen, write my phone number down, 407-706-3313 or 813-213-4009 is my Tampa number, or go to WeBringYouHome.com. Watch me on YouTube. Go to Bruce Woodburn, the Lone Ranger. My Spotify channel, Bruce Woodburn, the Lone Ranger. My iHeartRadio channel, Bruce Woodburn, the Lone Ranger. Check me out. I teach classes. I've got systems that can help you, guide you through the process. Real estate agents, you want a great lender? You want somebody that closes on time and doesn't ask for extensions? You call me. I'll be back in 5 minutes with more of the Lone Ranger Radio Show. Do not go